babies. How y'all doing? I know 2 videos in a row. I know, baby. I know y'all proud of me to fuck, but like this. This for y'all, you feel me? Because like I know y'all want me to post more, baby. I got you. I'm gonna post them. Don't look at my titties. Don't look at my titties. You're nasty. I was trying to move the chair closer and shit so you can see my face. You know what? Y'all dirty. I shouldn't even. No, I'm just kidding. I love y'all, my babies. Okay, so I'm taking video requests because I guess there's a lot of topics that people want me to touch on. So if you're one of those people, go subscribe. Go to my motherfucking Instagram. Go follow my Instagram and go DM me, okay? And tell me what you want me to talk about. All right. So, how to get a man to commit. That's the one. That's the one that we have for today because everybody want to know how do I stop getting him to be a hoe? And you know what? Let me tell you something. Oh, these niggas ain't shit, girl. They ain't gonna commit to no. Nah, I'm just playing. All right, so. First thing I'm going to tell you, this might hurt your feelings a little bit, but baby girl, I'm going to be the one to say it because it's the truth, okay? What's going to make a man commit is a man not want to commit. Now, there's a couple things that you could do to, like, kind of, you know, push him along with it, you know, to make him, like, trick him, basically. Make him think that that's what he wants, baby. But anyway, nah, for real though, because some of these men too deep in the holes. Literally every hole that they fucking go in, they just. Oh, sorry. But no, for real. So like, okay, so number one, if a nigga don't want to commit, he ain't gonna commit to nobody. But see, okay, so see, I feel like there's 2 truths because I'm a firm believer that anybody could commit if they want the person. So you gotta take those 2 things into consideration, baby. Now there's a couple ways you can get a nigga to commit, girl. You know, I'm gonna tell you how, girl. You know, now this might not work, but shit works for me. Like I be telling y'all, like this shit works for me. Alright, stop. Come here. Let me tell you something. You like that jiggle? All right, but okay, so first of all, now I know y'all don't like cooking. I know y'all don't like doing wifey shit for when you ain't wifed. I get that because you wasting your time, your energy, your legs be buckling, your knees be cracking when you picking up the basket of laundry. You go cook, oil gets on your favorite shirt, then you're tripping and falling your titty. I get that. I get all that. You feel me? But that does help. I'm telling you right now. Like the whole cooking and like him like knowing that you can clean up after your motherfucking self. Like that really works. That helps. That helps, because he's going to be like, oh, all right, where? She going to cook. She going to cook for me. You know, and then, you know, cook, you know, make sure you pay it. And then now you got to cook. And then the second thing is, okay, listen. Men like to be listened to and heard, right? So every time they talking, whatever the fuck they saying, whether you like it or not, whether it's bored or not, he could be talking about 2K15. 2K25, baby. You gonna yes him. You gonna be like, oh really, baby? And then you gonna ask questions as to why he like that. Because then it shows him that you're not yesing him to death and you actually enjoy these things. Well, enjoy that. Well, you care because he cared. So he gonna feel like you cared. You get me? All right, cool. So then, listen, respond, talk big, okay? Make him food. I feel like a way to a man's heart is not only through his dick, but through his mouth, okay? I don't mean by riding on it, kind of. But no, for real, listen to me, baby. No, for real, you gotta feed the baby. You gotta feed the man and then just fuck him. I'm dead ass. Feeding and fucking. That's the 2 things, baby. Now, that's not the only 2 things. Okay, so don't, none of y'all bitch ass niggas better be in my comments. That's not how you get a man to commit to you. Shut up! I had so many men commit to me. Shut the fuck up. You don't know. Have you had a man commit to you, sir? Oh, all right. So you don't know shit. Shut up. Anyway, I'm kidding. Don't. I'm sorry. Damn, Jeffrey, calm down. All right, but no. So seriously, cook, fucking feed. Like that's really it. Like that's it. I'm dead ass. Like now first, and then give him that guah. You know, like I'm about to give you a whole schedule. I'm gonna give you a whole schedule, right? So before you come on and be like, what you want to eat, Zaddy? You gotta say just like that. Just like that. You gotta know what you want to eat, Zaddy, right? He gonna tell you what he want to eat and be like, besides me. But no. And then he gonna tell you what he want to eat or to ask him his favorite food in another conversation. Remember, right? And then when he come over, now these are just a couple tricks. And then when he come over, have that food there. And I know that's too much. If it's too much, get some takeout. Alright? Or do one of them little spaghetti, bitch. Make some spaghettis. Make some spaghettis, bitch, with some G bread on the side with a salad. Well, you know, with a Coke Sun. Do something like that. If you don't want to cook, do something like that. But yeah, so, and then slut him the fuck out. When he come over, have his plate. Have his plate. Give him his food. Or you could just be sitting on the plane waiting for him to get in. Nah, but no, for real. Like, you gotta give him his food, right? And after he done eating, you know, take his plate, clean it off, you know, wash the dishes, because they gonna be like, oh wow, she cleaning, cause you should do the dishes. But anyway, we're gonna talk about it. And then after he good and full, baby, if he smoke, you gonna roll that blunt. Y'all gonna smoke that. You gonna get the vibe going, gonna get some good music, some incense, and some candles, baby. And you gonna fuck the shit out that nigga. You gonna make him lay there, and you gonna sit on top of him like that, and just and then you just gonna and then he gonna and then you gonna oh shit, oh nah bro, see, my